Hello guys, today I want to talk to you about a very important experience on my career which skyrocketed my filmmaking business. Now I would like to share the story when I collaborated for a video shoot at a hotel called View Hotels. This hotel contacted me on Instagram because I posted an ad on Facebook just introducing myself, saying that I was a videographer offering a free video shoot, because that's what I said in other video. We have to market ourselves as free at the beginning, just a couple of times, not every time, but that's what I did on the Facebook groups. And they contacted me because of course marketing team saw a big opportunity that they could hire me as a freelancer and free, literally, to make a video. So this was huge. This was a big step for me because it was the first time that I was going to do a big event, and not only that, but also the menu and the rooms for a venue, a franchise in this case, which is View Hotel. So working for a franchise means for your business a really big reference. So that reference will help you in the future in order to get some more jobs. And even if you work for free, this is a really big important step on your career. Now I would like to share you what I did and which steps did I take in order to get organized for the shoot. So first, of course, I contacted the marketing team and they told me what I had to do, which time I had to go into the shoot, which location. So I arranged everything as it had to be. And if you have any questions, contact the same email that the marketing team sent to you, and always be in touch. That means that you're really interested about what you're gonna do and you're talking business and you're not flaky or anything. So the image that you make is really important. Then secondly, you have to make sure that you bring all your equipment, because I swear to God, there was a time that I just forgot a lens, and it was a wide lens, which is very important for real estate. And in this case, we're talking about rooms, which means real estate, which means big lens. We need a very wide lens, a 14mm, and then don't forget that you need a very big lens, a fairly big 14mm, and then close lens, which is like 70mm, 80. So make sure you need to grab just some details from the rooms. Also, make sure you don't forget anything that you have with you, like an SD card or a tripod, and make sure you bring more instead of less. More is less in this situation, so we want to make sure we have all the equipment we need. Another thing on the day of the shoot is that you gotta go around the places you're gonna shoot first. Just do not set up anything before you're sure what's gonna be the arrangement, because sometimes, to be honest, I didn't have a shot list, I didn't have a storyboard, I didn't have a script. I shot on the spot because that was a client which I've never seen before, and I was not able to go into the rooms before I was being there working. So you just gotta go around calmly to see what's gonna be the arrangement of the shoots. And remember, you shoot for the edit, so you want to know if there's gonna be any cool transitions, because for example in this suite there was like a sliced room in between two, the living room and the bedroom, but it was all together. So you had like this kind of like cool shot which you transition with the camera from left to right to see both the living room and the suite, just like a sliced room, like in the sets. So make sure you have, if you wanna transition from the bedroom to the living room, if it's like panning left, you wanna pan left as well. So it's like kind of consistent. So you kind of memorize this and then make up the shot list in your head while you're shooting, if that makes sense. So that's what I did. And then after you shoot the rooms, of course, the big things first, and then you go on the details, you go on the smaller things, and that's what you do. You kind of step down in that moment. And then when I finished all the rooms, I went into the bar and we made some menu photos. So of course I had to get the right lighting, but you gotta pick the best table for the best lighting. So make sure that's one of your priorities. So after I finished the menu for that, we had like all the plates, all the different, like 3 courses. So I shot all of that, and then after I shot the menu, I went into the bar, and then I started to do all the drinks, and we made like a really cool video of the bar, just like transitioning like from all the tables to the bartender making the drinks. And you want to get all these shoots, like you make sure that you get the detail, but also with the wide lens you get into all the room and sweep all the room. Make sure you sweep everything around. So that, guys, was a brief video of my experience with the View hotels. I hope this helped you in order to get your next project. If you're working for a hotel or a big franchise, really smooth. So you make sure that they give you a really great reference. And of course, if you like the video, please subscribe and like it. So I'll see you the next time.